Hey, what's up, fans? Today back with another video. That's 3 days in a row. After a year, I am uploading a video. It's been a year since I've uploaded a video, but yesterday I uploaded one, and yesterday I uploaded one, and the day before I uploaded one also. The day before I uploaded a video about me coming back to YouTube and the reason why I was gone. Yesterday I was uploading a video of me unboxing a Rubik's Cube set. That video was made back in May or something, when like COVID-19 was like a huge threat, but like right now it's not that big of a threat anymore because it's not spreading as fast anymore. But today we are coming back with another Cricut video. I did get a new bag, like my kit. After last year July, I haven't recorded any videos. That's why you guys haven't seen my kit from that day. But I have gotten a new one. I still have my friend still has my other pads, but we'll show you guys those. I'll show you guys those ones after. And I said that this is a new journey that we are continuing, so I am going to start uploading like more efficiently, like more consistently about like Cricut and my daily life. I'm not basically going to go like daily videos, but I have done 3 days in a row now, which is a upside for me, but I haven't got many views. But it's where you start. Okay, so I'll just show you guys my bag and then what's inside of it right now. Guys, this is my new bag. This one cricketer who came to Canada, he gave me this new bag. He played for Edmonton Royals, GT20. So that's where I got this bag from. You guys can see the design and stuff. GT20, like recently when I did the giveaway, it was 2 tickets for a game that you guys will see here. There were 6 teams, and like the 6 teams you guys can see like right here. These are the 6 different teams that were here. Edmonton, Toronto, Montreal, Brampton, Winnipeg, and Vancouver. There were 6 teams. It was pretty fun. I also got myself a few shirts, but that's for after. We can just show you my main kit today, and maybe for another day we'll show you like what I got from there. So again, like always, I will start off with the side pockets of the bag. There's nothing in here except for one spike. Like this goes under your shoes. For those of you who don't know. Another side pocket over here. I have a think ball here. Don't use it that much. Got this from Coach's bag. Where did I get this one from? Okay, Coach's bag again. It's a white one. Bold paste with this also. I just buy it. I just like them because of the seam and stuff. Has a nice grip. I also have my wallet when I have to buy drinks and stuff. In games I get tired, so I just whenever there's like a vending machine or something, I just get a drink from there. So we're gonna go with the behind pocket, the pocket at the back. I always keep my helmet over here. No matter what it is, I always keep my helmet here. So as you can see, my CA helmet. You guys have seen this before. It's a good helmet for sure, but I'm looking for like a grade A helmet now, like the one with like neck protectors. There's a picture of it right here. That's how they look. Okay, I have Adidas gloves. These ones I got from a Canadian cricketer who gave it to me at practice. A Canadian cricketer, his name is Rizwan Chima. He gave me these gloves. His picture is right here. Not him. So he gave me these. Thanks a lot. So let's go to the main pocket now. And I did get like a brand new kit. Like not everything is brand new, but you guys have probably seen Maximum and the stuff before. But the main thing is that a lot of the kit now has new stickers on it. So it's like the old bats, but have newer stickers on it. So I had a single thigh pad, but now I have a double one. It's inner thigh pad and outer thigh pad. I'll just open it up right now and show you guys. So I did get a bigger one now. It's great protection for me. I don't really like the inner thigh pad when I'm batting and stuff, but it's just extra protection, so I'll just take it in as it is. What do we have next? You guys have seen these before? Okay, so you guys have seen these before. These are my wicket keeping pads. Not a wicket keeper, but I still wear these. Sometimes when like there's no keeper, or I give it to like when Our wicketkeeper doesn't have any pads. I give them this, so just in case. My wicket-keeping gloves fell. So, once again, my wicket-keeping gloves. You guys have seen these before in previous videos also, if you guys have watched the whole video. The main thing, now I have brand new pads, blue color. Last time I used to have covers, but they were on the green pads, which I don't have right now, which I have, but it's not in this kit bag because this is my main one, and that's just in practice one. Because I have, this is my, this kit bag is my game bag, and another one, the Kookaburra one from last videos of my cricket kit bag opening. That's where the Kookaburra one, which I used as my main kit before, is now my practice kit. So I just take it to practice. This one I take to games. Okay, so this is Rayad Emrit. He's a cricketer who plays for West Indies. He used to be the captain in 2016. He gave me these pads. Really nice pads. I love wearing them. They're almost a perfect fit. Just a little big on me. Box, really important. Okay, so this is one bat. This is my training bat. Oh wait, is it? Yeah, this is my training bat. Practice bat. I don't really use this I use this in games just a few times when it's necessary. So this one was one of my CA bats from before. This was my CA bat. I just stopped using this because it has cracks now. If you see at the bottom, there's some cracks, but it's still a really nice bat. You guys can see over here, there are some cracks. You see cleaner wood because I hit from the outside, and when it breaks up, it goes on the inside. This bat got really rusty, so I had to sandpaper it, and then I got it oiled. That's exactly why this is now my practice game. This is from my practice bat. This is now my practice bat. My absolute main bat, the MRF one I had. If you guys haven't seen that one before, but that bat is now in repair because I kind of cracked it while it was thing. And this is my last bat. This is my game bat, one of my main ones. This is also stickered up. It's a CA bat. The Sparkle edition. This was the Sparkle edition, and this was the original one. This is now my game bat. This is my practice bat. This is my game bat. It's a really nice bat. I love using it. Love using this one. Great ping on it. Love the ping. So that's basically the end of my kit. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video that I have shared my 2020 kit with you guys. It's been a pretty long time since I've uploaded about cricket. It's been another extra year or something. But I am coming back to YouTube, and I am going to start uploading more consistently and related to cricket and unrelated. If you guys enjoyed that video, smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and peace out.